Good morning to everyone. My name is Atin Mohammed. I am studying 7th standard. I am the old student of this school. Today we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. I am proud of it. Theme of Independence is Dixit Bharat. Prime Minister hoists the flag in Delhi. Chief Minister hoists the flag in Chennai. Thank you to all my teachers for guiding me and give me a good education. Thank you. Once again, happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.